To make the most amazing chocolate tart. First thing you need to do is make the short crust pastry. Combine all three ingredients in a bowl, wrap it in cling film, place it in a fridge for half an hour. Then roll it out on a floured table and press it into the pastry cases, and then you'll need to blind bake them for about 20 minutes. Once they're cool, set them aside. Then you'll need to make the ganache. Place your chocolate, cream, sugar into a mixing bowl, put it over a bain-marie until it's all melted and combined well. Then pour it into the pastry case and leave it in the fridge for about a couple of hours. It's best served at room temperature so that the chocolate's not too firm. These are some of my serving suggestions. If you enjoyed this short video, click like and subscribe.